Are you looking? As people continue to seek comfort and convenience in their homes, snack tables have become an essential addition to living rooms, bedrooms, and even home offices. Whether you're working, gaming, or enjoying a meal on the couch, the right snack table makes a huge difference. In this guide, we evaluate the best snack tables based on sturdiness, adjustability, portability, design, and overall value to help you pick the perfect fit. List 1. Saiji TV Tray Table. Heavy-duty, extra-large TV trays. The Saiji TV Tray Table stands out for its versatility and large surface area. Built for those who want a more functional and stable snack table. It features 5 height levels and a tilt mechanism that offers multiple angle adjustments. Ideal for reading, eating, or using a laptop. Its sturdy metal frame and anti-slip legs make it great for heavier items, while the extra-large surface gives more space than traditional trays. The tilt-locking design ensures nothing slips, and it easily folds flat for compact storage. Perfect for couches, recliners, or beds, this table adds both style and utility to your home. It's a smart pick for anyone wanting more than just a basic tray. List number: FlexiSpot Adjustable C-Table with Wheels. If mobility and multifunctionality are your top priorities, the FlexiSpot Adjustable C-Table is an excellent pick. Designed like a C-shaped side table, it glides easily under sofas or beds thanks to its 4 smooth rolling wheels. One of the standout features is the height adjustable mechanism, allowing you to use it as a snack table, work desk, or bedside tray. The sturdy steel frame and durable MDF top hold up well under daily use, and the modern design fits seamlessly with most home decor. Great for people who move around often or live in small spaces, this table adds flexibility and practicality wherever you need it. List 3. Huanuo Folding TV Tray Table. No assembly required. The Huanuo Folding TV Tray Table is perfect for those who want zero hassle. This table arrives fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. Designed for stability and convenience, it features a reinforced base that makes it sturdier than standard folding trays. Its foldable design makes it ideal for small apartments or multi-purpose rooms, where space saving is essential. It's perfect for meals, laptops, crafts, or reading. While it lacks height adjustment or tilt, its simplicity, sturdiness, and portability make it a reliable everyday option. List number: Winsome Alex Set of 2 Foldable Snack Tables. The Winsome Alex Snack Table Set offers timeless style with practical function. Made of solid wood and finished in a warm, natural tone, these 26-inch tables are ideal for casual meals, drinks, or light work. Each table folds easily for storage, and the solid wood legs offer a sturdier, more premium feel compared to plastic or metal counterparts. With this 2-pack, it's perfect for couples or families who entertain often. While they're not adjustable, their durability and classic appearance make them a worthwhile investment.